In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check x.com or Twitter activity step by step. Whether you're using the mobile app or a desktop browser, we'll go through your profile activity, saved bookmarks, and even how to view recent searches so you can quickly find the content and interactions you're looking for. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your phone or go to x.com on your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. If you're on mobile, tap your profile icon, which is usually in the top left or along the side menu. From there, tap Profile. This will take you to your account page where you can review your activity in different sections. Once you're on your profile, swipe through the tabs at the top. You'll usually see sections like Posts, Replies, Media, and Likes. The Posts tab shows the content you've shared yourself. The Replies tab lets you see conversations you've responded to. The Media tab is helpful if you want to find images, videos, or other uploaded content. And the Likes tab shows posts you've liked on X. This is a great way to review your engagement history and see what kind of content you've interacted with over time. If you want to check saved content on desktop, look for the More menu in the left-hand sidebar. Click it, then select Bookmarks. This will open your saved posts list where you can review any posts you've bookmarked for later. Bookmarks are especially useful if you want to come back to important threads, tips, updates, or posts you didn't want to lose. Now, if you want to check recent search activity, tap or click the search bar. As soon as you do, X will usually reveal your recent search history. This can help you quickly revisit accounts, hashtags, topics, or keywords you searched before. It's a simple but useful way to track what you've been looking up without having to type everything again. So to recap, if you want to check X activity, use your profile to review posts, replies, media, and likes. Use bookmarks from the More menu to see saved posts and use the search bar to view recent searches. These built-in features make it easy to stay organized and keep track of your activity on X. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.